And I arrived here on a Sunday outside of the train station, and it was really bright, really sunny, and it looked like the westerns, because I could see the the wind going like this, and nobody. It was a Sunday in Ptuju, you know what it is, and so nobody was there, and then I got really scared. I decided to come here in Ptuju because I wanted to leave Paris and I was looking for a project. And in Ptuju they've been nice enough in Ptuju to tell me that I can come here and do whatever I want.
I was married here in 2004, but I moved here I think beginning of 2006.
I work in Gymnasia Ptuju as a volunteer, and I work there as a native speaker.
I came here kind of naive. I didn't really know anything about Slovenia.
I like a lot that it's very beautiful, it's very cozy. I like that everything is so near.
So I really enjoy it. I mean, it's a real pleasure if you go to the center, you drink coffee and stuff like this. To be surrounded by old, very old buildings is really nice. No, I mean, that's good.
I like to go to the cinema here, it's very cozy, or I like to go to Ranca at the Ptujski Zero. I hope I pronounced it rightly. And I also like the hills here, Mesnivo.
The social life is awesome in Ptuju if you're willing to go and sit in a bar and drink beer.
People in Ptuju are more počasi. They're more relaxed in the way they approach life, but I think it goes with being in the countryside too, it makes sense.
I think people are far more brutal to each other. But in a positive way. I mean, that's just the modus operandi, you know. I think the way that people operate.
They're warm, but they're kind of close to.
I don't mean brutal in a negative sense. I mean, it's just right in your face, straight to you.
I prefer if it takes a long time and then becomes real friendship, relationship, then people, you know, they talk to each other all the time, and then finally they just, you know, the next day they forget.
That was a bit complicated with to getting involved in some networks here, because my experience, or people told me that it's like you have your friends from school, you have your groups where you're involved, and they stay until, I don't know, until ever.
My closest friends are actually also Canadians that live here, but I do have, most of my friends are from around here, let's say, the people that I communicate with day to day.
But I really don't want to stay all the time only with the foreigners here, so that's also was one reason why I really like to learn Slovene.
It's a very difficult language, you know. I can speak French and Dutch quite well.
But yeah, it's crazy complicated.
Govorim malo slovensko.
1,000 furry ones, tisoč, kosmatih,
Delavnic francoza.
I like, for example, knjižnica, because knjižnica is so, yeah.
Negative things, you know, I have a child, she's 3.5, and we really struggle to find things to do as a family. And I would say that that's the biggest issue. So we do a lot of nature walks and whatnot, which is also a good thing, I guess.
The fact that you never enter a Slovene home. I studied here 1 year and I've been invited to maybe 2 places, maybe. I don't even think 2. I feel home is like sanctuary, no? For people. You don't step into somebody's home.
If I were to leave Ptuju, it would be to go to some place just like it. It's in my blood.
So there is really this magical počasi bubble in Ptuju that you don't know why, but you really enjoy it. I got this Ptuju feeling where, you know, the belly goes like this, and finally you breathe and you walk slowly and everything is more slowly, and I really enjoy it.
Well, I think Ptuju chose me. Yeah, that's it.